Here is a comprehensive guide on how to make money online through content creation and how to access the money earned. Making money with content creation. 1. Choosing your niche. Identify your passion and expertise. Select a niche based on your interests, skills, or something you're passionate about. Popular niches include beauty, technology, education, fitness, and cooking. 2. Selecting a platform. YouTube. Create videos on topics within your niche. YouTube monetization includes ads, memberships, and super chat donations. Blogging. Write articles related to your niche. Make money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. Podcasting. Discuss topics or interview guests. Revenue can be generated through sponsorships, ads, and listener donations. Social media, like Instagram and TikTok, share photos and short videos. Income sources include sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling your products or services. Ebooks and courses. Write ebooks or create online courses on your area of expertise. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, or Udemy can be used for selling. Membership sites and Patreon offer exclusive content for subscribers. This includes paid newsletters, community access, and bonus content. Building your audience is a key step in making money online through content creation. First, create high-quality content. Consistency and quality are crucial. Aim for engaging, informative, and visually appealing content. Next, optimize for SEO. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags. This improves your visibility on search engines. Also, leverage social media. Use platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to share your content and engage with your audience. Finally, collaborate with other creators. Cross-promote with other content creators to expand your audience. Now let's talk about monetizing your content. Advertising is one way to do this. Join ad networks like Google AdSense for blogs or the YouTube Partner Program for videos. Another method is affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission on sales made through your links. You can also consider sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored posts, reviews, or product placements. Selling digital products or services is another option. Offer ebooks, courses, webinars, or consultation services. Crowdfunding is also a viable option. Use platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, or GoFundMe for audience support. Merchandising is another avenue. Design and sell merchandise related to your brand. Lastly, consider subscription models. Offer premium content through memberships on your website or platforms like Substack. Part 2. Accessing the money made. Alright, let's dive into setting up payment methods. First off, you'll want to consider using platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or Payoneer for receiving payments. These services are widely trusted and easy to set up. Another option is bank transfers. You can receive direct deposits into your bank account from platforms like YouTube or affiliate networks. This can be a convenient and straightforward way to get your earnings. And, if you're into the latest trends, you might want to accept payments in cryptocurrencies. You can use wallets like Coinbase or Binance to handle these transactions. It offers a modern and flexible payment method, especially for tech-savvy creators. So there you have it, a few solid options to make sure you get paid for your hard work. Handling tax and legal issues. First, consider setting up a business entity, like an LLC or sole proprietorship, to manage your finances and taxes. It's crucial to understand your tax obligations, so keep track of your income and expenses. Using accounting software or hiring an accountant can help you file taxes accurately. Also, make sure you comply with local regulations, staying aware of any laws regarding online business and content creation. Protecting your income is essential. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on a single platform or revenue source. You can diversify through ads, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Additionally, secure your accounts by using strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your hard-earned income. Growing and scaling your income is the next step. Reinvest in your business by getting better equipment, software, or education to improve your content quality. Expand your offerings by introducing new products or services to your audience. Regularly analyze your analytics to understand what content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, making money online with content creation is a viable opportunity, but it requires dedication, patience, and strategic planning. Focus on creating valuable content, building a loyal audience, and diversifying your income streams to achieve long-term success.